Everywhere don red as e be like this now. They say that Fulani Herdsmen, they don enter Igbo land o, BiafraLand o, as we dey talk. My wonderful people, these people are fully prepared. As e be like this now, they say these people they get every and they are ready to attack. I want everybody to be aware of what is going on for inside Igbo land as we dey talk right now. Please, this information is very important. What is happening to our children these days is something that mouth cannot say. If I show you a video of what is happening, our children of from 10 years up, they are gone. If we are talking, it will be like we are playing here. Please, to our fathers, mothers, brothers, sisters, please help your younger ones. You are not helping them by them seeing them taking substance that will destroy their futures. How can a boy of 11 years, 13 years are already smoking in their head and colors and other things, whether they call jackpot? If they take and they go right enter bush. Our people now waiting that they smoke right now. Or smoke herbal. They don't turn their house to Fela Kuti house. As it be like this now, these people now are now becoming Ewi. You know Ewi, where you put smoke, Ewi will come outside. They're now becoming Ewi as we are talking. And if they don't see money to buy that colors they are taking, they will go and looking for a house. They will break and thief inside the house. I will show you the video of what is happening in Alibo right now. Please be watching your children, watching the camp friends, the movement, everything is making. Be always look into his back, find out what your children are doing. They say children are the future of tomorrow. If their future is like this, that means Jamaica will be better than us 100 times. So I'm going to bring the video one after the other for us to watch. As that one they happen, they say that the Muslims in UK say they are prepared to defend themselves at all costs. UK, and I don't see them. Well, they force us to be with the first Biafrans to be with Nigeria. The Biafra say no, they want to stay on their own. Now Muslims now say they want Sharia law for your own country, and you want say no again. You see the hypocrisy? However, I'm going to play the videos for you to watch. They say the protest in Noto don't take another dimension as some group of armed robbers don't go they look to banco. Whether na Fidelity Bank, they say they go. Everything where they there, they sack them, cars, everything. So we are going to bring the videos for you to watch one after the other. Now, let us watch this video and see the moment these herdsmen are trooping in Alibo. Let's also watch the next video. What is happening in Alibo now? What is going on with our children? Mothers, fathers, please look after your children and see what they are doing. This video, if it did not touch you, I will know that you don't. In fact, you don't have a woman sympathy. Just watch the video.
Bian la kada ba ke? Ah? Chemeli onya. Aro na ke de? 13 years. Okay. Kedi ya ba teach no da ba? Unu je boy ama na Abuja Jesu ori. Ke kun su waje? I see fence. Unu ma fence. Ina se yo ise. So sa won lo ke na se. Ke yo zi na se. Ina so le SK. Chemele na se na SK. So I want to look on answer. Very good. Nke bụ nna ina see ina na say. Bia kam kan ni na say. Kada bo aro na ke de. 14 years. Kadi ina say. Na ma ya anwụrụ na gị n'ọzọ. Na ma ya anwụrụ na SK gị n'ọzọ. Na loud. Kadi ni na say. Ọsịsọ. Very good. I did 14 years. Ina say I want to say SK, na say gino so. Ina say loud and colors. Very good. Nna kada pa ke? 12 years. Inese yoise. Ke inese. Na gị n'ọzọ? Na gị n'ọzọ? Ị na-ese anwụrụ na-ese SK na loud. Kedu afa nke gị?
Kedu ihe ọzọ se kwuchebe?
Kedu ihe ọzọ ị na-ese? Ị na-ese bụ kolos. Arọ one ka ị dị? 12 years. Ngwa gị nwa? Okay. Very good. You know again? You know the locals. Get up again. Jericho, Jobute rice. In a sound will SK loud and colors. Come on. No, Maya. In a sound will SK. No, in a sound will SK. Okay, give me one. I don't know.
Okay, my wonderful people. Sebi, you don't see what they talk. So this is our youth, and we need to act immediately to stop this thing. There was one video that I come across as well, but I could not bring that video up. The same thing I see in that video. Young children at age of 10 years, they are already doing all those things. Going to people's house to break people's house. This is what is going on in Southeast as we are talking right now. Oh my God, everybody have to wake up. Please be watching your younger brother and know what he's doing. Mothers, don't overlook your younger brother. Ask them to make money. Yeah, go out there and make money like others. Look at this person, children, don't succeed. A boy of 10 years, because you want to give Millie butter, and because of that, this is where it will end up. My people, I want to show you this video. This is happening in UK. As we dey talk right now, no be small thing they go on for inside the UK. So now they can't loot them, they will pay the price. As long as they keep suppressing the children of the light, they are going to pay the price. So let me bring up the video for you to watch before we come back and continue.
For the sake of protecting the house of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And as Maulana mentioned, please, nobody mess around. Yes, people get emotional, people get, overcome with emotion. We don't want none of that. They are not of us and we are not of them. The brothers are here, they know what they're going to do, inshallah. Self-defense is part of British law. We have every right to defend ourselves. And we've seen in the video clips how the British police are being violated when they are supposed to support and protect us. They have come and protected us, but the reality is we will do our protection ourselves. And a message to Keir Starmer is, we don't need your funding. We will fund and protect the house of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So brothers, please don't let the emotions get the better of you, inshallah. Have a real sabr. And when the time and need arises, inshallah, and when the call is made, we will defend ourselves. We're not ashamed of this, inshallah. And we will openly say the takbir well, and whenever we feel like this, inshallah. So please keep in mind the masjid, our Imam Sahib, and the brothers associated, inshallah. We're not doing it for ourselves, we're doing it for the house of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Also, brothers, we need solid information if they are here or there. Brothers shouldn't just run in one direction. You got to remember, there's other people here around as well. One little video clip sent out is just going to give us a bad image. We're here with the good intentions, alhamdulillah. Please don't spoil it. So when the call is made by those responsible, then inshallah take your steps.
Just adding to that, I just want to add to that one point. It just goes to show that the police could have done a lot more. It didn't need to come to this stage where so many brothers had to gather. If the police, they come out in dire time, then this would have all been diffused. Now we got a lot of people, emotions are running high. The police force needs to do a lot more to protect our communities. But like Maulana has mentioned, alhamdulillah, we're here. We've not caused, mashallah, there's hundreds of brothers here. There's not been a single car attack. There's not been a single individual attack. There's not been someone isolated and attacked. The police vans have not been attacked. This just goes to show who the real fascists are, who the real racists are. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us and protect our
One last thing, brothers, if I can request everybody, look, nothing is peaceful. Islam is about peace and it's about caring.
Okay, my wonderful people. When I don't see them, so this now waiting they happen for UK, and when I don't hear waiting they talk, they say they have right to defend themselves at all costs. So Britain, the Biafran people, the 5 million people you buy in BiafraLand, you people cannot get away of it. You must pay the same price at all means. This is the message, very, very clear. You must pay the same price. The genocide people committed in BiafraLand, you people must pay the same price. So, you know, when you talk, your mind, TikTok, or any of them that are working there will be looking for a way to bring your video. But we don't fucking care. We always say the truth, how it is, and the truth will always remain the truth. And holding in the Carlo will cause you people more damage. A lot of things will be happening, both in Nigeria, in Kenya, and also in UK. This is the people that committed this to Nnamdi Kanu. Okay, my wonderful people, now so we'll see them today, and I will say we'll bring them. Please share this video, please, and make sure say you subscribe to all our social media handles. Do not forget say you still there for Balabas GC. Don't forget also to follow us on our new TikTok account. There, everything they happen, they bring you back to back updates.